Powerful aerial footage starts with the right features and reliable flight performance. Best Drone with Camera for Adults delivers smooth stabilization, sharp video quality, and beginner-friendly controls for travel, outdoor adventures, and cinematic shots without the steep learning curve of professional drone setups. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini Drone. The DJI Mini Drone is a compact and travel-friendly option that delivers impressive aerial footage without adding extra weight to your gear bag. Since it weighs under 249 grams, recreational users in many regions can fly it without dealing with FAA registration requirements, making it especially appealing for beginners and casual drone pilots. Despite its lightweight frame, this drone feels stable and capable in the air, even when flying in moderately windy conditions. The Level 5 wind resistance combined with efficient brushless motors helps maintain smooth movement and reliable hovering, which is important for capturing clean, cinematic shots outdoors. One of the biggest highlights of this drone is the 4K camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal. Footage appears steady and professional looking even while the drone changes direction or altitude. Whether filming beaches, mountains, city skylines, or family trips, the image quality remains sharp with accurate detail and natural color balance. Sunrise and sunset shots especially benefit from the stabilization system because the drone handles motion smoothly while preserving clarity in low light conditions. The camera performance makes it a strong choice for beginners interested in content creation without moving into expensive professional drone territory.
Number 2. Bingchat 4K Drone. The Bingchat 4K drone stands out with its feature-packed design aimed at users who want more than a basic beginner drone. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the touchscreen controller, which functions almost like a built-in Android tablet. Instead of relying entirely on a smartphone connection, users can access apps, media, and drone controls directly from the controller itself. This creates a more convenient flying experience, especially outdoors, where switching between devices can become frustrating. The carbon fiber style finish also gives the drone a modern and premium appearance that looks more advanced than many drones in the same category. Its camera system is designed for users focused on aerial photography and video recording. Equipped with a real 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and EIS anti-shake technology, the drone produces smoother footage during movement and directional changes. The wide field of view allows users to capture larger landscapes while maintaining good image detail. Night scenes and outdoor environments benefit from the stabilization system because vibrations are reduced significantly during recording. The addition of digital zoom also helps when filming subjects from a distance without immediately sacrificing framing flexibility.
Number 3. Oddire Orbit Drone. The Oddire Orbit Drone is designed for users who want an affordable drone with reliable GPS features and strong overall performance for outdoor photography. One of its biggest advantages is the intelligent GPS system that helps simplify flying for beginners while also improving safety during longer flights. Automatic return to home activates when the battery gets low or the signal becomes weak, helping reduce the risk of losing the drone. Additional flight functions like GPS follow, route planning, and circle flight modes create a more enjoyable flying experience while allowing users to capture dynamic footage with minimal manual control. The adjustable 4K UHD camera provides detailed aerial shots with a wide viewing angle that works well for landscapes, travel videos, and outdoor activities. Users can tilt the camera remotely to frame scenes more accurately without repositioning the drone constantly. Photos appear sharp in daylight conditions, and the video quality performs well for casual content creation and social media uploads. While it may not compete with premium professional drones, the image quality is still impressive considering the lightweight and portable design.
Number 4. Holy Stone Drone. The Holy Stone Drone is a beginner-friendly camera drone that focuses on simplicity, stable flight performance, and practical features for everyday aerial photography. It offers a straightforward flying experience that works especially well for new drone users who want to learn basic controls without dealing with overly complicated settings.
Features like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and speed adjustment make flying feel less intimidating for first-time pilots. These built-in flight assists help maintain stability while reducing the chances of sudden control mistakes during practice sessions. Its 4K camera delivers clear footage and sharp images, suitable for vacations, outdoor activities, and casual video creation. The wide-angle lens helps include more scenery in the frame, making travel footage look more cinematic and immersive. For users interested in recording social media content or documenting outdoor adventures, the image quality is more than capable for everyday use. The drone's GPS-assisted auto return to home feature adds an extra level of security while flying outdoors.
Number 5. Bwine F7 GB2 Drone. The Bwine F7 GB2 drone is built for users who want stronger flight performance, longer range capabilities, and advanced camera stabilization for serious aerial filming. One of the first things that stands out is its FAA Remote ID compliance, which helps users fly more confidently while meeting current aviation requirements. The drone feels more powerful than many entry-level models thanks to its durable construction, brushless motor system, and enhanced wind resistance. It handles outdoor environments well and remains surprisingly stable even at higher altitudes or during windy conditions. Its 4K camera system is designed for smooth, cinematic footage. The detachable camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal greatly reduces shaking during movement, helping videos appear more professional and controlled. Whether recording landscapes, roads, farms, or nighttime scenery, the camera captures strong detail with stable transitions between movements. The wide field of view creates immersive aerial perspectives, while the larger CMOS sensor improves overall image clarity.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.